So for
Yes.
career, you travel internationally.
I travel internationally. I travel domestically at least 2 to 3 weeks out of a month is how much I travel.
Now, was it helpful, like in your travel, to know what to do while you're on an airplane, going through airports, luggage, all that?
Yes, absolutely. Because traveling is the hardest thing because the food choices are difficult, right? You know, you only have what they serve you on a plane or the options in airport, which is a lot of fast food. So there's not a lot of good, healthy options. So that part stressed me out, as well as just like going to restaurants and not being able to have control over the restaurant that I'm picking. And then customers also like wanting you to have beverages and things like that when you need to cut that out, right, for a time period. So, and a lot of the restaurants I end up going to, they tell you how many ounces of whatever you're eating, and you can just cut it in half or figure it out that way. So that's pretty easy too.
Right. And then when you're traveling, you can have something that you can eat the next day, or for, you know, something later on in the day.
Right.
One of the things that was really helpful to you that we talked about was the hotels that you stayed in, having a plan prior to arriving. So if
Correct.
you needed to use their refrigerator, or requesting a mini fridge in your room if it didn't have one already,
Right.